Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create a great landing page on Teachable. So the first step is to create your Teachable account, and then you'll have to simply go to site. Then here you'll have theme. So here you can add the logo and branding. You can add the favicon if you want, and much more. As you can see, you can change the font, family, the color palette of your Teachable landing page, and much more. And then you can simply preview it if you want, and this is how it's gonna look. Then what you'll have to do is simply go to pages here, and as you can see here you have different pages, and you can add a new page if you want. And as you can see now, we just created a new page, so this is gonna be our landing page. And now here we can start adding content. So as you can see, you can add images, text, buttons, videos, and much more. And then what you'll have to do is simply publish. So you're gonna click publish, then here you're gonna enter the URL, and basically that's all you have to do. So this is how you can create a great landing page on Teachable. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.